In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to toggle the layers window in Draw.io. Let's get started right from the Draw.io interface. First, make sure you have a diagram open in your browser. It might be called Untitled Diagram if you're just starting from a blank file, and that's absolutely fine. Once your canvas is visible, look toward the very top of the screen for the main menu bar. Up there, you'll see options like File, Edit, Arrange, and so on. The one we care about for this tutorial is called View. Go ahead and click on View. This menu controls what panels and visual helpers are shown around your canvas. From this drop-down, look for the option labeled Layers. Click on Layers, and this will toggle the Layers window on or off. If it's not visible yet, clicking it will open the Layers panel, usually on the right-hand side or as a floating window, depending on your layout. Once the Layers window is open, you'll see a list of all the layers in your diagram. In many cases, there will already be a background layer. This layer is typically used for elements that should sit behind everything else, like a grid, a frame, or a background color or image. Click on the background entry in the Layers panel to select it. When it's selected, any shapes or objects you draw will be added to that background layer, which can help keep your main content clean and easier to manage. Now, with the Layers window open and the background layer visible, you also have the option to add new layers. This is useful if you want to separate different parts of your diagram, like annotations, highlights, or alternate versions of a flow. In the Layers panel, look for the option or icon that allows you to add a new layer. Click on that to create another layer. After creating it, you can rename it to something meaningful, like Highlights, to keep things organized. Once your new layer is added, make sure it's selected in the Layers window. Any new shapes or highlights you draw will now be placed on this layer instead of the background. This makes it very easy to show or hide highlights, or even lock the background so you don't accidentally move it while editing. And that's all there is to it. By using the View menu to toggle the Layers option, and then working with the background and any new layers you add, you can keep your Draw.io diagrams much more structured and easier to edit.